Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Jericho Ivan Venesilio and welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to this channel, please give a like, comment, share, subscribe, and also click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make chewy fudgy brownies. And by the way, it's gonna be the best brownies you'll ever make. And yeah, enough talking, let's make this, shall we? To make our chewy fudgy brownies is super simple. In fact, you can even make it right now while you're watching this video. As always, all the recipes are in the description box down below. In a medium-sized bowl, add 1.5 teaspoons of espresso powder, that's optional, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 2 ounces of unsweetened chocolate chopped into small pieces, half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of boiling hot water, and mix it well until the chocolates are completely melted. And also don't forget to add a splash of vanilla extract. After that, add 4 tablespoons of butter, half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, crack 2 large eggs plus 2 egg yolks, room temp obviously, 2.5 cups of granulated sugar, then mix it until the sugars are completely incorporated and the eggs are nice and homogeneous. For our dry ingredients, in a mixing bowl, add 1 cup plus 3/4 cup of flour and dunk your wet ingredients to the mixing bowl and mix it till there are no clumps of flour. Don't overmix it or else it won't be chewy or fudgy. Also chop 6 ounces of bittersweet chocolate and add it to your batter. That makes our brownies nice and chocolatey. After you made your batter, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until your oven is screaming hot. Then grab your rectangular cake tin with a parchment paper and pour your batter and spread it evenly throughout the cake tin and give it a tappy tap on the bottom to be completely flat so you won't have any open gaps to your brownies once it's baked. And also feel free to add few chunks of bittersweet chocolates on top for extra chocolatey punch. Literally, you'll get knocked out once you bite into the brownie. Once your oven is screaming, by the way, that's a joke, let it bake for 30 minutes, or as I like to do, get a toothpick and pierce it right into the center or anywhere and check if there's no wet batter sticking to the toothpick. And that means your brownies is baked. And let it sit for half an hour and slice them into squares, then serve it. This is by far the best brownies you'll ever make. Well, there you go guys, that's how you make brownies. If it's helpful, please give a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post every Saturday, so yeah, take care, bye.